Alright, so you want to download the Brave browser. All you have to do is search Brave browser in your Google search and select Brave. Once you click Brave, you're going to select Get Brave right here, and it's going to pop up at the top right where I can open the file and run that exe that was downloaded. And now it's going to be installing that. We just have to wait for it to go through. And that's basically it. Now I have the Brave browser. I can do whatever I want. I can go to Google. I can search up whatever, GTA Online, and I'm already on. If you want to go to do an in private window, all you have to do is select Control-Shift-N or select New Private Window. And your sidebars here, you can go to the passwords and autofill. You can check your downloads. Go to the settings options, and within the settings options, if you ever want to update your Brave, all you have to do is select About Brave, and then it will tell you that Brave is updated. So there you go. It's very simple, very easy.